Hey, if you are looking for a software development company, you found the right video. I'm Justin. I'm with Sinnard Technologies. I am out of Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I serve the nation as a whole and the Oshkosh, Wisconsin, Fox Valley area. As a software developer, I work with clients to build software, right? So if you're looking for, say, a mobile app, a desktop app, APIs, Apple desktop apps, or cloud infrastructure, maybe you want to move over from your own servers to a cloud infrastructure system, we offer these to our clients. Um, why would you choose me, right? I offer lower costs compared to bigger agencies because I have less overhead, and I'm more flexible with what we can get done and what we can't get done. I also offer more ownership or accountability due to me being in either the local area or maybe in the United States. I have to be held more accountable than, say, if you were to offshore to a company, say, in Asia or India or something like that. I've heard a lot of horror stories from people that go with some of these companies to get a contract signed. They get in a disagreement about the contract, and then that company that's offshore just stops talking to them and they don't communicate with them anymore. And then other people lose thousands of dollars on software they want to develop, and it's either they lose their money or they spend another thousands of dollars getting lawyers to work with overseas companies to get your money back. So I'm definitely more accountable being in the states or being local. So that's a big plus about being local. I'm also more flexible with my scope and timelines. Say we got to put a pause on it, like let's say we're in phase three of building your software. It usually goes in phases, and you say you want to, wait a week before we continue. That's not a big deal. Or maybe if I need more time, maybe I underestimated how much time it would take. I can talk with you and I could make it another week or something like that. I produce production ready code. A lot of agencies, when they give their pricing, they're talking about a prototype. It's like bare bones, no error handling, no test. If that's something you like, of course I can do that. But in most cases, when we hand you a product, it's going to be production ready. Very minimal bugs. Software always has bugs, so it's never going to be bug free. But 99% of it's going to be functioning and working like it's supposed to when we get it into the store. I offer also dedicated infrastructure. You're going to be using Azure platform. That's what I use. Um, it's industry standard. Some of the biggest corporation or enterprises in the world use these infrastructure, and you'll have access to that too. And the beauty of it is that the cost will be way down. It can scale easy as you grow, and you get more users. I also offer on sort of ongoing support. If I can talk, I've been talking a lot today. It essentially allows me to react to problems that come up. Like I said, with software, it's always kind of a moving product. It's never actually finished per se. Like it might be done and ready to go, but there's going to be like server updates, firmware updates. Maybe we found a unique problem in there, and then we have to get that fixed. I generally am going to be replying for those kind of times. If I can talk once again, those kind of problems within 24 to 48 hours. Another benefit of working with someone local, I'm Central Time. So in general, I'm working 9 to 5, and chances are you're working 9 to 5. So email communications will be faster. If you got to talk on the phone communication will be faster. Our times we can have a meeting between maybe your IT team, and your directors. We're all going to be in the same time zone, so meetings can be set up to where we can communicate easily, as opposed once again going offshore. Chances are they're going to be working at nighttime while you're sleeping, and then you have to try to figure out times when you can talk, and it just makes communication a little harder. Plus, I speak English, right? Um, and the amount of savings you get now, especially with AI advancements, um, it's very, very minimal. I get things done almost 10 times faster than previously, and done right because I'm a software engineer who knows the code too, and can build it correctly. Otherwise, I think that's what I wanted to cover. Oh yeah, I was gonna say too. If you want a unique design, I can also do that. Also, do Figma designs and make it look cooler. I don't suggest that right off the bat, if you're just trying to get an app up and running. But if that's something you want in the future, or maybe you do want it right away, I can offer that also. Otherwise, if you're interested in getting software developed, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. If you're on Facebook, please follow my page. You might not be ready right now to go forward with your app, maybe for your business or maybe an internal app. whatever you need made. But at least you'll see updates on my page. I do like app demos, I do topics on growing your business, and things like that. If you're interested in getting that content in the future, just like and subscribe. Otherwise, if you want to contact me for some work, that's right here, sinnardtechnologies.com. Go to the page. I'll have a link in the description also. And then click the Hire Me button. Fill in your information. Let me know what you're looking to have built. And I will be in touch with you. Otherwise, you all have a good day. Bye now.